What is up, everyone? This is Mark, and welcome back to our episode 8 of my web development journey. And this is the part 2 of our simple survey form. And then in this part, we will make drop down menu. So let's start. So first, we need to have another label for the for our drop down label, and then for role id is drop down. So inside the label, we will put an element called select so that we can make a drop down. But before that, we need to put a keyword here for our drop down. It's if you're a member will be your. So that's our next. We will use the element select for our drop down. Select. So the name is role, id will be drop down also. Inside the select, we need to put option element, so that if you click the drop down, the option element will display the different kinds of option. We need to put 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 options, and then I need 11 because the first one is select a role, just like a placeholder. So this one will be 0, this one will be 1 2 3 10. Next one is captain, navigator. Next is sniper. Next is cook, doctor. Don't forget the doctor. You need a doctor in your ship. I'm basing this in Straw Hat Pirates. If you want, you can make your own also. Helmsman. Okay. That's it. As you can see in our simple form, survey form, if you click this drop down, it will display all the words that we input in our option: captain, swordsman, navigator, sniper, cook, doctor, shipwright, musician, Achilles, helmsman. And that's how you can make a drop down menu. So that's all for this video, and see you in the next part. Have a good day. Peace.